Welcome back to my channel, guys, and it's been quite a while since I able to upload any kind of videos regarding Python or how Python can scrape any kind of data online because I'm doing this content with another client, and he needs me to put all the content in Notion. If you know Notion, yeah, you can. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, project management, and collaboration to serve as a single space for planning and organizing. Users can, or yeah, users or people can customize pages with different blocks, right? Blocks, like for instance, this one. Going to scroll down, there are blocks here. Okay, you can put all the blogs posts, okay, domain names, ideas, competition, keywords, additional asset or info. Okay, but this one is not yet live. So yeah, all the here are the only content that's currently live right now because they already have a website or they have a domain attached to it. This one, and now I created this one, and then this one. Alright, the carpet cleaning Victoria, Palm Spring car detailing, and also garage door repair Dallas. And yeah, that's the only. But I created all of this content, but it's not yet operational. It's not. I mean, there's no domain attached to the what you call this, to the content in Notion, because yeah, this is like, like text. Okay, and database images and can collaborate with others in real time. It is usually used for everything from personal note taking, task tracking to running an elite company. I can show that to you right now. I'm just going to open this live website. If you're going to scroll down a little bit, as you can see, there's a site has already been embedded or linked to this content. And by the way, all of the website that I'm going to show you are created through GoHighLevel because GoHighLevel is a very powerful tool. It's a CRM slash a web editor, right? And yeah, you can create your own website from scratch with using GoHighLevel, right? It's almost the same like other application, but not that uh, polished like the WordPress and also Shopify, right? It's not that kind of a application, but it is a CRM. It's a good CRM because you can upload like in Airtable, right? You can upload your leads to GoHighLevel, okay? Although I cannot show you how to do that in GoHighLevel because I don't have any access to GoHighLevel, but probably later on I'm going to show that to you, okay? So here's the one of the site that I created, and we're going to go below. There's a lot more here, and this already been. We're going to open that up. Yep, this one already has the domain and yeah, temporary address of the company, an email address. Okay, it's right there. The phone number is also attached to the site. And this one, I think, going to go to critical asset info. That, yeah, doesn't have a site, but it's live. So it's not, it doesn't mean that it's not, I mean, it's not live because it doesn't have a link, right? But it's because it's still operational. Okay, it's live because you provided the content to the client, okay, or to the one who's going to buy the website. Probably he doesn't want I mean me or the my boss to configure the site on his behalf. So he just purchased the content. Okay. And this one, let's see the other one that has a web, has a domain. Shows there is a domain. And let's see this. Yeah, it's already have a site. Going to copy that. Let's see. Let's go there. Yeah, this is one of the company or website that we created. Okay, Staten Island Roofers. Okay, and then their services here, about us, and then service area, contact us, also here. And yeah, the social is also here. I can't click on. I'm sorry about that because this this website already been sold to a person who's running the ads on YouTube on Facebook. So yeah, there's the phone number is also there. Okay. Now going to go back there. Okay. Let's close this out. And there's a bunch of content that's already been sold to the client. And I mean you can also do this by yourself because I mean on Google Maps like this one for instance, I've looked for a dental clinic in San Antonio, Texas, right? But a lot of them are you have a website already, as you can see here. Okay, I mean you can just scrape this by yeah by using Python to get all the information like address. This one, if you see if you get this if you go to their website and you see that the structure of the website is not that good, I mean you can offer your service to them so that you can tell them that their website is not I mean it's not that polished, right? That you can polish it, you can make it you can make it good. It's up to you how you deal with that, okay? But yeah, this I mean some of the I mean you can find it here. Some of the companies that doesn't have a website, so you can sell them your service, or you can offer them the service to create their own website. Like for instance, create their website, provide their I mean you can put their social, put ads on social on Facebook, right? You can run it so that they can be I mean there's an activity online, so there's more traffic to their website. So those kind of things, okay? So this how is you can incorporate the notion in creating website, in getting leads from Google Maps, so that you can check if there's other companies that doesn't have a website. Okay. So if you have any question, just comment down below and do subscribe to my channel if you have any if you really like this kind of video, because in the future I'm going to also do some go high level by putting for instance go to Google Maps and then scrape for any kind of data that we can get, and then upload it on go high level. Okay, so that you can I mean clients or companies who wants to call or to do cold calling, they can put all the data to their CRM. Okay, not I mean GoHighLevel is not the only CRM. There's a lot like HubSpot, right, and Sivo. I mean, there's a lot. There's a lot. There's Zendesk. I mean, Freshdesk. Yeah, you can also do that. I mean, there's a lot. There's a lot of CRM that you can use. Cheaper website or cheaper CRM or a CRM that you only want to upload the leads, right? I mean, agency Zoom. You can also do InfoSop. I mean, there's a lot. Okay. So if you have any question, just comment down below or email me. My email is already in YouTube. You can just view my email once you go to the About page. Okay? Thank you very much and have a good day.